Morning, folks. I'm preparing a sample here with Valspar. If you start right, you can end right. But if you begin wrong, you're going to end up wrong. So I don't want dirty gloves, so I don't want dirty the baseboard. So what I have to do, I tape the baseboard. Play my tape on the baseboard. Corner. This is the upset wall. This is my corner. So I don't want to play no paint on this side of the wall. I don't want no paint touching this side of the wall. No paint at all. So I gotta do, I tape my corner. Because when I pull off the tape, when I take the tape off, I should see one straight line down in the corner. I'm using the Valspar Professionals. This is on my accent wall. Let me check it up first. Hear what's inside? I thought sometimes it'll be watery, but you gotta stir it to combine everything in together. Just take your time. Go at my lowest point first, from bottom to top. If I can't get up there, I'm going to use my water stick. Because you have it right here. If you can get from top to bottom. But the main thing I can use now, I can apply my water into the paint. From top, all at the top. And from top back to the bottom. All the way. Make sure you don't get the floor. So my floor, I already got my covering. No paint is on the ground. Looks for any faults you're going to look for. You don't want it bulky up. So much paint here, one here, so much paint here, and less paint yonder. You want everything to be even. Even everything out. This is a professional job. And I use a professional paint. Now we're going to get my brush, I'm going to cut the top and the side. Because the water can't work. This is the paper sheet that we apply 1 coat of primer. This is the paper sheet, 1 coat of primer. Over here is the concrete board with 1 coat of primer. So now we're going to apply now Valspar Professional over this. So I'm going to sand. First thing you keep is sanding. That's the top. Then dust it off. Dust off all the dust. Here it goes. Take your time. This side. Sand to the side. The short sand is smooth, the sand in between coats. We put on 12 coats, you got sand in between all. sanding is the key. When you put on too, just off all the dust. All the dust and that stuff. This wall, this is my accent wall. So I apply 1/4 Valspar Professional on it. This is my accent wall. So I have 1/4 ready. So I'm gonna sand. I like the love to sand between coats. Sand between coats. The last coat is what counts. I don't have a coat already. This last coat counts. So I'm gonna sand it very nice. Dust it down and apply my last coat. The last coat is what counts. You gonna get my sandpaper? Yeah, have my sandpaper. So we're gonna give it a light sand. Not a heavy sand, a very light sand. Now we're gonna apply my last coat now to my accent wall. Start from the lowest point and work my way over to the tallest point. The cake straight, everything straight, everything as straight as possible. Finish now, we're going to cut the sides and the top. When you finish, you take off the tape. Put the tape off. One clean cut. This was done by Valspar Professional in Eggshell.
Come on down to Marshall Trading Lounges, where we have a very wide selection of Valspar products, primers, paints, different sheens, very good prices, you name it. So once again, come on down.